If you are a tax preparer, you might benefit from an additional service that you can offer your clients year-round, regardless of changing tax codes and competing tax preparation software and businesses. One of the easiest ways to create a second income stream for your tax preparation business is to offer your clients additional services, including a credit repair service. Not only will this create an additional recurring revenue income stream from your current client base, it will also help you stand out among the competition. To provide the most value to their clients, many tax preparers have adopted the following 3 steps. 1. Maximize their value. Providing a credit repair service to your clients could potentially save them thousands of dollars or help them to own a home. In the United States, almost 80% of consumer credit reports contain errors. These errors are almost never in favor of individual consumers, which means that an exceedingly high number of people are overpaying for credit. By adding credit repair to your mix of services, you can help your clients overcome the obstacles that may be holding them back and improve their willingness and ability to work with you over other providers. The process of credit repair is not rocket science. Pinpoint errors on your clients' credit reports. Follow a dispute process for items damaging their credit score. Help your clients achieve greater financial freedom. By offering this additional service to your clients, you are more than just the person that prepares their taxes. Your business becomes their ally, and someone they will continue to work with year over year, month over month. 2. Educate clients about the credit industry. Tax preparation demands a close watch on legal and regulatory changes, such as tax policy and regulations. Combining credit repair knowledge with tax preparation allows providers to develop a combined tax and credit strategy for their clients. By learning about credit repair and then providing this knowledge to clients, tax services are better prepared to understand policy changes, such as the following. Changing legislation about write-offs. Discounts and savings for sole proprietors and small business owners. Tax credits for consumers. These kinds of policy changes and their impact on taxes might not be known by your clients. That means, even with online tax preparation software, your clients might not know how to take advantage of the changes and can miss out on benefits to their bottom line. By learning about credit repair, tax preparers can share information with their clients and personalize their strategy around both taxes and credit. The more streams of knowledge any tax preparation service can provide, including the option for credit repair assistance, the more valuable the business is to their clients, especially when they see the impact on their finances. 3. Helping your clients create a better situation. Many people in the tax preparation business enjoy helping others. With credit repair, the option to create monumental positive change in your client's life is one of the most exciting benefits. When your client calls to let you know that you just saved them over $120,000 or more over the 30-year life of their mortgage, the inspiration to change even more lives gets stronger. That is the reason that adding a credit repair service to your existing tax preparation operation is such a perfect fit, and highly recommended. Business credit repair software can help your tax preparation clients get better interest rates, broaden their financial portfolio, make financial decisions that help with tax gains. By enhancing your ability to help your clients, you open the doors to even more financial solutions that can help your clients to thrive. Credit repair is a recurring revenue business. As a tax preparer, you already have clients who turn to you with their finances, which means you have a natural opportunity to discuss solutions to improve your clients' finances as well. Credit repair software makes it easy to become an expert in the credit repair industry and a more comprehensive ally to your clients, but if you're not ready to take the leap to a paid business credit repair software, then we would like to offer you a free solution to help you get started. Our free credit repair kit contains the tools for businesses and individuals to start repairing credit, for themselves, or their clients. Included is a professionally written, attorney-reviewed dispute letter library with almost 100-word formatted dispute letters that can be used for almost any credit situation. Also included is our custom Excel spreadsheet. This spreadsheet has been specially modified to be used to track the dispute process from start to finish. It can be used for personal credit, but was created for businesses who want to start out with credit repair and track disputes for multiple clients. Also included are step-by-step instructions, PowerPoints, slideshows, books and more to teach you everything about getting started with credit repair. To download the free credit repair kit, just head over to www.libertycreditconsulting.com and click the green button at the top of the page. Don't wait to add an additional revenue stream to your business. Log on to Liberty Credit Consulting and download your free credit repair kit right now.